Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Reddit account. Now let's begin. Initially, go to reddit.com. Once the page has opened, now we need to log in. On the right hand corner, we can see something like Get App and Login. Simply click on the Login button. You can continue to log in using your Google account or your Apple account, or simply type in your username and password. Since I logged in using my Google, I'm going to try the same method. Click on the Google icon. A pop-up will open which will prompt you to choose an account to continue to Reddit. Simply select your account. The connection has succeeded and we will soon be redirected. You can see that we have successfully logged in to our Reddit account. Well guys, that is how you log in to your Reddit account. Hope you found this video useful, and for more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.